Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you that which three extensions which are the most popular and you can use them. So let me open the extensions. So let me tell you. So first of all is GitHub Copilot. Yeah. So you would just install this one and it would automatically install the chair and other things which it need. So you should install just this one. After that there's an extension live server by Tricktay. You could also install it. As you can watch, its rating is 4.5 star, so it's also a good extension. And the last one is Prettier. As you can watch the code from by Prettier, so you can also install it. So these are the three extensions which I want you to install. So bye.